In the 7th century, the Arabian invaders swept the westward and captured North Africa in a bold bid for a Islamic control of the Mediterranean. In 711, an army led the Berber general the Tariq bin Ziyad amassed on the shore of the North Africa and looked toward a prize looming across the Mediterranean Spain. Spain at that time was a decaying country under Faxar Visigoth. After the sudden death of the Visigoth king Witiza, a rebellious, powerful, the chieftain, the called the Roderick, the seized the throne and proclaimed himself king. The Roderick cruel suppression of the religion that did not support him sealed his fate and doomed his kingdom to collapse. The, the son of his the son of the late king Witiza, the conspired against him. In addition to a Visigoth nobleman, the name Julian, who allegedly hate Roderick for the rape of Julian's daughter, the Visigoth rebels appealed to the Muslim of the North Africa for assistance against Roderick. The governor of the North Africa, the Musa ibn Nusaid, had other plans for Roderick's kingdom. In the year of the 710, the Musa appointed a Berber leader, Tariq bin Ziyad, as his general. The Tariq's goal was to sail for southern Spain. When he landed on a rocky outcrop on the coast, he gave his name to the region as Jabal Tariq. Under Tariq, the Muslim army crossed to the Gibraltar in 711 and the easily overrun Roderick crumbling Visigoth kingdom, moving quickly up from the coast to Cordoba and the Toledo. They met with the little resistance as they established control over the coastline. Many non-Muslims, especially the enemies of the Roderick, Zeus's resistance of the Spain, welcomed the newcomer as ally rather than conqueror and aid them willingly. The Visigoths were caused by surprise. The Roderick quickly went to the south with a small band of the men. They were easily overwhelmed and defeated in an ambush, and Tariq's men killed Roderick on July 19 in 711. In the following year, Tariq's lord Musa joined the attack and launching a 3-month siege as slave before he moved on to the area now in modern-day Portugal. In the north, combined army of the Musa and the Tariq took the province of the Leon and Castile, reaching as far as the Bay of the Biscay. For his victories, the Tariq initially became the governor of the conquered Spain. Within 7 years, the conquest of the peninsula was completed. The Muslims renamed the new land Al-Andalus, from which the modern name for the southern region, Andalusia, derives. Under the Islamic rule, the Christian and the Jews are called the people of the book, which means they were free to practice their religion, but Muslim rulers imposed the financial penalties and sometimes persecuted their non-Muslim citizens, which meant mass conversion to Islam. Determined to further in Christian Europe, the Muslims crossed into France and in a decisive battle at Tours in 732, King Charles Martel held the northern advantage, but the Spanish flourished as one of the centers of the Islamic civilization and remained in part under Muslim control until The 492, when the King Ferdinand and Queen Isabella completed the Reconsulata.